Whoa. Whoa.
Holy crap.
Oh, no, move.
The National Weather Service in Mobile has issued a special marine warning for waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 7:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Move away.
At 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time, strong thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots were located along a line extending from near Okaloosa Deep Water Reef to 37 nautical miles southeast of Oriskany Reef to 57 nautical miles south of Fort Walton Liberty Ship Reef, moving northeast at
Liberty
25
Ship.
knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact.
Source radar.
Can easily overturn
The
boats
shit?
and create locally hazardous
No, it said
seas.
radar.
Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly
Whoa.
higher waves.
Our second.
Impacted include Okaloosa Deep Water Reef. Thunderstorms.
No, it's your second.
Sudden waterspouts.
I have recorded.
Waterspouts
Oh, yeah,
can
same.
easily overturn
Second,
boats
but-
and create locally hazardous seas. Seek safe harbor immediately. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 7:45
This is
p.m.
with the
Central
EAS,
Daylight
hopefully.
Time for the following marine location. Waters from Okaloosa, Walton County, line to Pensacola,
Whoa.
Florida, from 20 to 60
Another
nautical miles.
EAS.
Here's your marine forecast.
Whoa.
Wait, give me a high five, man.
Man, yeah, fuck yeah.
Not that hard, though. There we go, man.
Yeah, you just saw both of our recordings. So if you're watching on his channel, you could see what phone I'm recording with. You could see what, the phone he's recording with. So yeah,
So, check out that one gamer.
yeah, I'll be posting a link to his channel, obviously. See you guys.